Good evening everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my today's video and this is the continuity of my previous topic, that was active passive voice. I hope by now you have learnt all the rules, and today we are going to continue with the present tense. I will repeat all the rules and I'll go for the examples of present tense, that is present indefinite, continuous and perfect tense. So let's start our today's video. Please kindly watch this video till end to understand it well. First of all, I'll go for the specific helping verbs that are going to be used with present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect tense. So note down these helping verbs, because I have already told you that helping verbs or be verbs are the very important tool or tip to make your sentence correct. Now for present indefinite tense, helping verbs are is, am, are. For present continuous, helping verbs are is being, am being, are being. And for present perfect, helping verbs are has been and have been. Now I am going to apply this strategy of active and passive voice for positive, negative and interrogative sentences. Let me revise all the rules. The very first one is replacement of subject and object. Rule number 2 is use of proper helping verb or be verbs according to the tense. Rule number 3 is use of past participle, that is third form of verb. Then further, fourth rule is use of preposition by, that is optional. And finally, the fifth rule is use of possessive or personal pronouns for the given pronouns as a subject, or the nouns will be written as it is. Starting with present indefinite tense and positive sentences. Let us have a look on all these examples in detail. He speaks English. Now the sentence structure for active sentence is subject, verb and object, and the passive sentence is English is spoken by him. Replacement of subject is already there. Proper helping verb. Now speaks is the first form of verb that is used with the s here, because it is present indefinite tense, and these all tenses are explained already in the previous videos. So go for this detail in that particular video. She contacts me. I am contacted by her. I is there as a subject, so am is used as a proper helping verb. She packs the bag. The bag is object, so it will be written at the place of subject. Is used as helping verb. Packed is third form of verb. By is preposition and her is a pronoun that is being used for she. I answer the questions. The questions are answered by me. They pluck the flowers every day. The flowers are plucked by them every day. The hint to keep in mind is this, that subject, verb, object pattern is there. Verb is in present indefinite form, so is, am, are will be used. Now present indefinite negative sentence. Same helping verbs will be used, but the sentence structure is a bit changed. They do not water the plants. Now just do not is a helping verb that is used in present indefinite tense negative sentences, and you have to make changes accordingly. The plants as the subject is there. Are not, do not is changed into are not, because plants is plural, watered by them. I do not follow the rules. The rules are not followed by me. We do not hit the ball. The ball is not hit by us. She does not carry the bag. The bag is not carried by her. He does not receive a gift. A gift is not received by him, because gift is singular. It does not eat meat. Meat is not eaten by it. She does not call me. I am not called by her. Another thing that must be kept in mind is this, that the verbs that are in transitive form, they are supposed to be changed into passive voice. Just go through all the examples. In all the examples, the verb is transitive. And again, if you want to learn about transitive verbs, so you have to go back to the video of this particular topic. I'll share the link in the description. Then third one is present indefinite interrogative sentences. Do they play cricket? Now sentence structure is different here because it's question. So do as a helping verb is already used in the start of the sentence. So we will make change here in the place of helping verb, that is do. Do they play cricket? Is cricket played by them? Rest all the rules are same. Is as a helping verb is used here in the start. Then cricket is considered as subject. Played is third form of verb. By is preposition and them is the pronoun that is used for they. Do I call you? Are you called by me? Does she accept my request? Is my request accepted by her? Does he ride a bicycle? Is a bicycle ridden by him? Now next is present continuous positive sentence structure. And the helping verbs for present continuous tense are is being, am being, are being. If you have gone through tenses, already you know that is, am, are the helping verbs for present continuous, and being is added for passive voice. Examples are she is completing the task. In this sentence, she is subject, is already there as a helping verb, completing is your verb, ing, and then task is your object. So completing here is a transitive verb. Let me change it. The task is being. Like in the active sentence already is there. So for certain changes I have added what? Being. Ing is used here for continuity. Completed, because in rules third form of verb is supposed to be used. Completed by her. We are taking the exam. The exam is being taken by us. They are playing baseball. Baseball is being played by them. The teacher is calling the students. The students are being called by the teacher. The boys are making noise. Noise is object of active sentence, so it will take the place of subject, that is noise in the start. Is used because noise is considered singular. Being is used for continuity. Made is third form of verb, and then by the voice is there as preposition and the object of this sentence. The gardener is watering the plants. The plants are being watered by the gardener. Just concentrate that the ing of watering is switched to the word be, B-E-I-N-G, and then third form of verb is supposed to be used. Then present continuous negative sentences. The girl is not taking the class. The class is not being taken by the girl. Rest the rules are same, just you have added what? Being here. The students are not taking the lecture seriously. Now replacement of subject object, so the lecture is written in the start. Proper helping verb according to the tenses should be used here. So the lecture is a singular, so is used because it's continuous tense. In active sentence you have are, but it is used with the concerned subject, that is students. For lecture we will take is. Not is already in active sentence, it is used there. For taking, ing is switched to being. For take, we have used third form of verb, that is taken seriously by the students. Children are not playing football. Football is not being played by the children. The player is not catching the ball. The ball is not being caught by the player. We are not checking the papers. The papers are not being checked by us. Now it's turn for present continuous interrogative sentences. Is she giving me a present? Now already is there in the question. Let me change it into passive voice. Is a present being, ing is switched here, being given to me by her, or am I being given a present by her? Now in this active sentence we have two objects. One is direct object, the other one is indirect object. And again, this is already discussed in the previous video. So go through it. So we can change it in both the cases, like we can use me as our subject here, or we can use present as the subject here. Are they purchasing a new car? Is a new car, because car is singular, so I have taken is. Is a new car being purchased by them? Am I not offering help? Is help not being offered by me? Are they attending the seminar? Is the seminar being attended by them? Is your friend not calling you? Are you not being called by your friend? Now it's turn for present perfect positive sentence. Sentence structure is already discussed in the tenses video. For active sentence, subject, verb, object is important and verb must be transitive verb. She has called me. She subject, has is already used in the sentence, called is used as transitive verb and be is direct object here. So replacement of subjects, me is changed into I, has is already there. So just keep a hint in your mind that if you have in a sentence has and have, you just have to add been here. I have been called by her. They have attended the party. The party has been attended by them. I have planted a tree. A tree has been planted by me. You have already done the task. The task has already been done by you. The dog has bitten the child. Keep one thing in mind that in perfect sentences we already use third form of verb. So that's why we have to add been here. The child has been bitten by the dog. My neighbor has invited me to the lunch. I have been invited to the lunch by my neighbor. Now, concentrate on the sentence. My neighbor is subject. Has invited is used as transitive verb here because me is the direct object. So, to the lunch is written as it is wherever you want to write. If you want to write I have been invited by my neighbor to the lunch, it is also correct. The company has selected her as their employee. She has been selected by the company as their employee. Present perfect negative sentences. The boys have not celebrated their victory. Their victory has not been celebrated by the boys. I told you if there is noun, you can write it as it is. The old man has not parked the car. The car has not been parked by the old man. The drivers have not violated the traffic rules. The traffic rules have not been violated by the drivers. The kids have sung a song. Replacement of subject object, a song is there. Have is there, so you will change it according to the subject. Song is singular, so it is has. Addition of been, rest of the sentence is same, sung by the kids. The officers have taken an oath. An oath has been taken by the officers. And then finally, it's turn of present perfect interrogative sentences. Has she cut her finger? Replacement of subject and object, finger will be written in the start, but has will be at its place. Has her finger been cut by her? Have they reserved a table at the restaurant? Has a table been reserved by them at the restaurant? Have I submitted the check? Has the check been submitted by me? Has he rejected the request? Has is used as interrogative word here. He is subject. Rejected is transitive verb. The request is your direct object, receiver of the action. Has the request been rejected by him? Have they enjoyed the trip? Has the trip been enjoyed by them? So this was all about active passive voice for present tense and its aspects, that is indefinite, continuous and perfect tense. Just go through your practice, keep practicing and have fun learning. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.